Welcome everyone. We're down here at the grounds of Tazapalooza. I won't be going live today. Yeah, we got softball today. Charlie has a doubleheader today, so that's the reason we won't be going live today. So we'll see you. I'm guessing next Saturday. Let me think about that. Yeah, it won't be this coming Saturday either because I'll be working days, so it'll be the following Saturday. So, yep, that's what we got going on. So I wanted to get a video out for you guys and thought this would make a nice shorter video. Scott Wilson sent me a couple mufflers, and we're going to try one out today on the JK Saw Shop 390, the one that he built for me. So we've got it on there, and we're going to run it. We're going to see what it does. I think it's going to wake it up a little bit. I think it's going to improve it as far as throttle response goes and as far as pull in the cut. We're running a full house, 32-inch full house Archer chain. It's stock chain. Haven't touched the rakers, nothing. So we're gonna see if it pulls that big wide tooth. Right on. I hope you're all having a great week. Hope you're all having a great day. Thanks everybody for all your support. I truly appreciate it a lot. I know I say it a lot, but it's fact, and I want you guys all to know how much I do appreciate you and appreciate the support and the help and the kindness and all around the community, not just here. So Scott Wilson, thanks buddy. Let's try it out. There it is. I would say it's an improvement for sure. Thanks again, Scott. It's awesome, man. It's plenty loud. Plenty loud, that's for sure. I'm loving it. I am loving it. And we'll try it on a we'll try it on different saws too. We'll try it on the XPW probably, and the Taz XP will probably get a run with it too. Yeah. Oh, I love it. I love it. I appreciate it, Scott. I know that took some time and effort, man. That's crazy. It's crazy cool. I had to add some fuel to it. I had to open up the high jet a little bit. so it's doing good. It's doing good. It's taking more fuel, and it's running pretty good. As you can see, the chain is right out of the box. It's not that great. It's chattery. It's really aggressive, wide tooth. So we'll get it touched up, and it'll work much better. But as far as the muffler goes, it's spot on, man. It's killer. Way killer. Awesome. I love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Be kind.